Manufacturing today is not like it was 10 years ago, 20 years ago. Today's manufacturing is clean, high-tech, fun. There's a cool factor involved.
Someone that likes to really be creative, this is a great opportunity to be creative and to figure out how to make stuff going from
medical, consumer products. Here we have Sikorsky that manufactures helicopters, the Black Hawk helicopters. You have Colt Industries which manufactures firearms.
Just a wide variety of products, but products that are around you every day and you don't even know necessarily where they came from.
We see a lot of companies that are always looking to hire someone that understands design and understands manufacturing.
2 years ago, when I first got here, you couldn't buy an interview for graduates coming out of the program. There just wasn't any demand for it. And now I've got manufacturers calling saying, how many have you got? When can we talk to them?
Starting pay is much better than a restaurant job or a fast food service.
It is not unusual for a student coming out of a four-year technical high school to start making $45,000, $50,000 first year. You take somebody out of a two-year technical college, they could be making $70,000, $75,000 a year.
I got into manufacturing because I've always had an interest in it ever since I was a kid. I was always the kid with the Legos and everything, so it was just a natural progression for me, I think. I went to a technical high school. I quickly found a job in a machine shop and worked my way up.
I went to tech school. Wanted to get into a career that I figured would be a fairly stable career, decent pay and challenging, something different every day when you came in.
I started in 1998, very little English. I learned most of my English in Hobson. College was always in my mind and they pay for it here. That's one of the good things about working in manufacturing, that a lot of companies, they'll pay for your college.
Maybe there's a manufacturer nearby that you stop by and say, hey, I have some interest in this field. Many times these shop owners will embrace you and bring you through and show what really takes place in their shop.
And a lot of companies run apprenticeship programs.
See what you have for local community or technical community colleges or technical high schools.
Kids that graduate from their schools such as Asnatuck, Manchester Community, and others here in the state have the opportunity to get involved with some of the design aspects of machines, programming of machines, and overall operating of some of these more sophisticated machine tools.
Most of the students that we've had have gone on and run in manufacturing shops. They started out as a manual operator, they were up to CNC operators, and some go on to programmers. And we have some people that go right on to college and become engineers.
Yeah, I've always been interested in aerospace and aviation in general. I was in retail for a very long time, and I decided to go with the program here at MCC. It's nice small groups. The teachers are very interactive with you, and so far the program's been excellent.
It is not uncommon to have students, a portion of the students, a portion of the class, finding opportunities before they even finish the program, typically about 10 to 15%. 50 to 60% of the students are employed within the first 30 days upon graduation, and pretty much 90% by the end of the first 90 days after graduation.
Get the good work ethic. To be in this field, you have to have a good work ethic.
You need to have a little bit of a mechanical aptitude if you like to tinker with things.
If you like to build things, if you like to figure out how things work, if you like to get your hands dirty, if you like to always learn something new and figure out how parts are made, you should check out manufacturing.
We hope you will consider attending a vocational technical high school and exploring manufacturing technology as your career. Manufacturing has always been an important part of our state's history and economy, and will be even more so in the future. Please consider manufacturing as your life's passion. Thank you.